Hello, I am Asma Siddiqa from Aurangabad. I am lecturer at Junior College. I teach chemistry for all subjects. I hold masters in organic chemistry and English literature. I have also completed my B.Ed and I have been teaching from last 8 years and I have taught over 5,000 students. I have taught online and my students are from USA, Canada, Qatar, Oman, Canada and Australia. So my today's topic, I'm going to teach concept of electrode chemistry. So I have selected this topic because lots of students find difficulty in that, so that they will understand that how easy it is to understand. Okay, so for that I have to share my screen, and I'll just to explain that topic. I have to first of all I am going to share my slide. I'll just show you the slide. So this is what I'm going to teach you, a concept of electrode potential, and you can also call it as concept of single electrode potential. So to understand concept of single electrode potential, you should understand first of all Nernst theory of electrode potential. Okay, so if you will understand the Nernst theory of electrode potential, you will come to know what is concept of electrode potential. So according to the Nernst theory, when a metal is dipped in its salt solution, two things happens. So first of all, for that you should know that what is single electrode. So you know that in a complete cell there are two electrodes. First is you can call it as oxidation electrode, and another one is reduction electrode. Okay, so first of all I'll just tell you how the electrode is developed, or half cell is developed. So whenever, if you will take a metal and that metal is dipped into a solution, for example you have taken a metal zinc and you have dipped that solution, that metal into ZnSO4. So whenever a metal is dipped in its own solution, this half cell, this is called as half cell. So when this is electrode is generated, and when this electrode is generated, there will be a potential which is developed due to these two metal as well as the solution. Okay, potential will be developed due to the these two different things, that is Zn rod, that is metal rod, and metallic solution. So according to the Nernst theory, there two things happens when you will just made a half cell or electrode. Okay, so and we will see one by one what are these two things. Okay, so first process is de-electronation. First of all we'll see what is de-electronation. As I told you that um, electrode is created, or electrode is made when a metal is dipped in its salt solution. Okay, and what do you mean by salt solution? Salt solution is nothing but a solution which is having a common ion. For example, if you are taking Zn, then the solution will be ZnSO4. If suppose for example you have taken magnesium, so the solution will be MgSO4. So this is nothing but its own solution. So whenever metal is dipped in its own solution, there will be a formation of electrode, and that on that electrode there will be one process will occur, and that is nothing but de-electronation. Let's see what is de-electronation in detail. So see, this is the reaction what is going to happen in the solution. So this is metal, and metal will convert into, whenever metal is dipped in its own solution, it will convert into, it has a tendency to convert into m plus plus, that is metal cation, and two electrons are released. Okay, so this process is actually nothing but a oxidation. Whenever electrons are released, it is called as oxidation. But this process is also called as de-electronation. That means there is the removal of electron. So I'll just explain you what is going to happen in de-electronation. See, as I told you that metal, whenever it is dipped in its own solution, it will convert into metal plus plus, plus two electron are released. Now what will happen with these electron and what will happen with the metal? Now metal will, yeah, sorry, this cation will migrate into the solution. See, you can see the plus charges here. So they will migrate into the solution and the electrons will remain on the plate. You can see the electrons are there. And as we know that there are lot of electron which will form a layer, and because of this uh, electron concentration of electron increase on the plate, the positive charge get attracted towards the negative charge and they will accumulate it on the surface of metal, outside the surface of metal, and as they will form a double layer. Okay, you can see the double layer over here, one a negative charge of these electrons on the surface of metal, and the positive charge which that will be around the metallic plate. Okay, that is, and how it is accumulated because of just attraction in the positive charge. As the double layer develop on the metal and around the metal, and because of this double layer, the potential is developed, and this potential is called as single electrode potential. The same thing will happen in de-electronation. Sorry, the same thing will happen in electronation. So that will be the opposite. For example, I'll explain the electronation. So here is what I'm going to explain you electronation. So electronation is nothing but exactly opposite of this. So what will happen, for example, if you're going to dip the metal off, dip the metal in its own solution. For example, you are just dipping the metal, that is nothing but copper, and the solution is nothing but copper sulfate. So what is going to happen? First of all, this copper will convert into Cu plus plus and plus SO4 minus minus, and on the plate, you can see that out from outside the rod, the electrons will come and they will accumulate on the surface, and these, due to these electrons, positive charges which are present in the solution, they get attracted and they get deposited on this plate. And again there is a double layer, that is nothing but double layer of this electron and positive charges. Okay, positive charges which are on the plate, they will just migrate from the solution and will deposit on the positive on the plate, and because of that double layer, there is a potential developed, and that potential is called as potential developed due to electronation. Okay, so these two processes will occur, and due to the difference in potential of electronation and de-electronation or the half cell, uh, these single electrode potential are connected, or these single electrodes are connected with the metallic wire outside and inside with the salt bridge, and because of this difference in the potential, electricity flows. So this is what I have covered in this topic. And So here I'm going to end the topic. Thank you for very much for watching my video.